A lot of nine-finger boys in the village, they haven't got much choice in the village. Model car, model wife, model village.
Hi, I'm Todee Teodoro of Bespoke Manufacturing Company. This is my build, the BMW R90.
Todee, alam mo, you are one of the pioneers for Moto Builds Pilipinas back 2015. Suffice to say, marami rin may kilala sa garahe mo.
Kratos custom cycles pa rin, but I'm also moving into doing production parts. You know, bolt-on custom parts for everyone out there who doesn't want to chop their bike. It decreases the value. So this one, I'm trying to provide parts that you can just bolt onto your bike, have that custom look, a personal style that you want.
You still conceptualized everything and you did everything by hand first off, di ba?
Yeah, well, we don't have any 3D printers or yung scanners or whatever. It's still done by hand, by eye. So the growing trend of having a custom bike, fully custom, and after a while, your clients get tired of the look, parang wants to try to put it back and they can't because you've chopped so many things. So you just have to learn how to adapt and work around it.
What's behind you right now? Syempre, una kong nakita at naunang nakakuha ng pansin ko is the intake. Tell me about that.
This intake is made out of fiberglass. It all started out in clay. So it took me 3 weeks to do trial and error, doing the shape, carving it, massaging it to flow right with the tank and with the bike. So when I found the nice line and flow, biglang, okay, sige, pwede na to. Momoldehan ko na. It's like Play-Doh.
Pero kung may korte na, what's the next step?
I covered it with plaster Paris.
Para tumigas.
Yeah, para tumigas. That's how I got my negative mold. Because syempre yung clay kasi it's fragile eh. You can't really put pressure on it, so you have to carefully layer your cotton, your plaster hanggang maging solid siya.
So doon pa lang sa step na yon, it's really tedious kasi nagkamali ka sa balot at may nag-indent doon, wala na.
Yeah, because once napadain mo, it's gonna do an impression on the clay. So once you pull it out, that impression will be there.
Andun
So
na
now
siya.
you have to rework it again or you start from scratch, di ba?
What else have you done with the bike?
I also did the front cowl, fender,
course.
aluminum, and this is a prototype na shroud. It's made out of plastic because I'm also trying vacuum forming. Still made a mold and stuff,
Okay.
so yung ganon. And I did all the leather work on this. Yung skid plate, redesigned the covers. We have the fender and the lights. Even the lights here I made na.
Nice. How long did it take for everything?
I got caught up with the pandemic, yung first ECQ natin with this bike. It was supposed to come out right before the ECQ, but I couldn't come here. So this bike took a while, but because having a great client also that understood the situation, so I did him a bunch of parts during that time. When you pan on this side, these are the other parts that are for this bike.
Wow.
We have the black seat, the black version of this, with a custom cowl, tank strap that's made out of crocodile skin, Rizoma side mirrors, another cowl which has a bling bling. Then we have a aluminum intake, side panels, and aluminum shrouds also. There's a few that hindi nga nadala dito. This bike can look like you have like 6 bikes once you interchange everything.
So marami look ang pwede.
Oh, maraming look. Yun yung option na binibigay natin with our clients na we didn't cut anything, but your bike looks so different after you put a few bolt-on pieces on.
And ang ano doon, marami kang look.
Yeah. Oh. So parang every week pwedeng iba yung motor mo.